Like, I know what to do, got me feeling nostalgic. Ancestors sending clues, I'm sending gratitude back. Cause the whole world outside, sun in my eye, a girl in my ride, head in the sky. We gon' make it if we try. The truth never lie, wings we can fly. With you by my side.
Got the baking powder and we got brown sugar so far in here. Now we're gonna work on the white sugar. Just like the way that sugar looks pouring. Put our butter. You can't help somebody like.
That's funny. He said, should I bring some of my girlfriend? I said, why you say that? He said, cause man, I tried, but every time I tried, she started crying over.
Bought them in like a week.
Oh my gosh.
I think they would do them shits at a high price. Cause vegan shit is expensive. We got every cookie you want. We got vegan cookie. We got weed cookie. We got diabetical cookie. What kind of cookie you want?
Made by a diabetical.
Gotta make your cookies.
Do you think she can ever hear us in here?
I think she do be hearing us. Listen, ear hustling. I think she be thinking like they're a cup. That's what we used to do when we were little, like to listen to conversations going on in the next room. We put a cup up to them, and it like echoes. It's like putting a shell up to your ear. Let's put a seashell up to your ear.
Grandma's.
You got seashells?
Contact.
That's a big bitch. Take this big
Not every day is easy, but I'ma keep it breezy. Not every day is easy, but I'ma keep it breezy. I'm like a caterpillar turned into a butterfly. I'm on the grass, it's always greener on the other side. And we gon' make it out the struggle, though we traumatized. I used to take this life for granted, I apologize. So thankful I'm alive, this jungle I survive. I'm on a natural high, just like the east side rise. My ass is sunny side, it's up to you to decide. Get on my level, tell the devil, go from where it hides. So world outside, sun in my eye, girl in my ride, head in the sky. We gon' make it if we try. The truth never lie, like wings we can fly. With you by my side.
feet. I hear feet. Hey, my mamas. Yes.
You have juice in your cup.
You thirsty? You thirsty? That's the utensil that it does my hands. Oh, this batch is sticky.
Yep, it is.
I didn't measure that sugar. And I got used to using that bigger bowl. Why I went down. I wonder why sometimes it be looking like so much more. I wonder if the sugar changes like the way the amount looks. This looks like a little. Is it just because it should seem bigger in a smaller bowl, right? No? Sure. Kayla?
What?
It's yes.
Good morning, boys.
What are you doing? Sound like.
Say good morning.
Friends and family.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head.
Okay, mamas. Okay, come on. Come on. Come on. My little attached baby girl. Yeah, her attached to her mommy. Yes, her is. Yes, her is.